Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add canvas in CapCut PC to your video or your photo. Alright, so for example, I'm going to select my video to the right and you can see, and before I'm going to select the original aspect ratio and click on the clip, you can select basic and scroll down until you find the canvas option. So just click on it and you can select blur, color or style. For example, I'm going to select color and you're just going to just this one color you like, or you can adjust for the color, right? So to see the canvas you can resize the clip so canvas appears like so. You can change another, for example, select blur, right? That's how you can add canvas to your clip. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please like in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.